Welcome, everyone. We'll be getting started in just a moment. We have a short presentation for you today with questions and answers afterwards. I'm going to direct you towards the questions box in GoToWebinar. If you have a question throughout the presentation, please enter your question in there and we will either respond during the session or answer it live after the presentation. All right. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Brendan Gregory. I'm a project manager at Microdesk and the product owner for BIMrx Cloud Manager. I use BIMrx Cloud Manager and Core to manage our Revit and BIM360 projects daily. While working as a BIM project manager, I've noticed many inefficiencies in the workflows using BIM360. So I've been working with our product development team on BIMrx Cloud Manager to speed up, improve, and automate those workflows. So what is BIMrx? We built BIMrx to enhance and simplify Revit and BIM360. Each of the modules are purpose-built to allow you to get projects out the door faster and spend less time on low-value tasks, allowing for more time focused on design. BIMrx Core, MEP, and Fabrication are built to be a part of Revit, while BIMrx Cloud Manager is a standalone desktop application. BIMrx is built to streamline the entire BIM project lifecycle, from setup, model production, to collaborating with stakeholders. Today, we're here to talk about BIMrx Cloud Manager, which is focused on more efficiently administrating projects in 3 areas: project setup, member management, and data management. With powerful commands and features, teams can create custom workflows that support the entire team, not just the Revit users. BIMrx Cloud Manager more efficiently manages multiple projects at the same time and automates repetitive tasks, so your team can spend their time on the things that matter most. BIMrx Cloud Manager was purpose-built and designed to accelerate project setup and member management, as well as automate data management tasks for both BIM360 and Autodesk Construction Cloud projects. BIM360 is an awesome platform. However, it only allows you to manage one project at a time, while BIMrx Cloud Manager is focused on enabling the management of multiple projects at the same time through a simple desktop application. Let's talk about the features of BIMrx Cloud Manager. It's the fastest way to create one or many BIM360 projects. Intelligently sync folders and files with multiple BIM360 projects at the same time. We have upload sync, download archive, and all these can be done on demand or automated on a schedule. It's also the fastest way to add multiple users to multiple projects at the same time, while also updating their company and roles. Set up multiple projects faster with folder and file templates that can be applied to multiple projects at any time after projects are created. Automate model publishing, uploading, archiving, and exporting on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. And the newest feature now available in 2.7 is the ability to export PDFs and WCs on demand or on a schedule. Now let's jump into the actual software. I'm going to use BIMrx Cloud Manager's Excel-based project creation workflow to create 15 projects. Creating multiple projects on BIM360's website can be tedious. However, with BIMrx Cloud Manager's Excel template, it makes it really simple to create projects in bulk. I load the Excel in BIMrx Cloud Manager and select the projects I want to create. And then I'm going to click Create there on the top right. I've used this feature for one of our clients to migrate to BIM360 to create over 500 projects on BIM360 in a matter of minutes, not days. There you go, it created 15 projects in just a matter of seconds. Next, I'm going to copy a template folder structure to allow these projects to be set up more efficiently all at the same time. And what makes our template setup workflow unique is that we can include files with the folders, not just the folders. Also, we can apply the template at any time after the projects are created. We don't have to do it at the time of project creation. This also means we can use this same feature to copy folders and files from one project to multiple projects very easily. Not only can I set up projects faster with our bulk template feature, we also have intelligent upload sync features you can use throughout the life cycle of the project. We provide hybrid browsing, allowing you to see your local location and your BIM360 folder structure at the same time. Our intelligent sync only makes new versions of files that have been modified more recently than the files on BIM360. This ensures that you don't end up with any unnecessary versions of files when nothing has changed, and also makes sure you don't replace a file on BIM360 with a version that is out of date. Now let's add users to our projects. BIMrx Cloud Manager accelerates adding multiple users to multiple projects at the same time, while also setting their company and adding roles. Here I can quickly select multiple projects. Then I'm going to filter the member list by email domain, and so I'm going to select multiple users I want to add to these projects. Then I can set their company, and then I can add some roles. That's it. A task that would have required you to go into each project and type out all the users' email addresses over and over again in each project took just a few seconds to complete with BIMrx Cloud Manager. It's really that simple. Now we can automate our data management tasks with BIMrx Cloud Manager Pro on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. You can schedule publishing of cloud Revit models, schedule printing of PDFs, and exporting of NWCs without having to publish the model, as well as schedule uploading, downloading jobs across multiple BIM360 or Autodesk Construction Cloud projects at the same time. Here I'm showing how you can create jobs for uploading and downloading archive snapshots or download syncs for BIM360 or Autodesk Construction Cloud projects. We provide granular control over what you target to upload or download with static checkboxes or dynamic filters that are future-proof as you add more folders and files to your projects. BIMrx Cloud Manager gives you the control you need to move just the files that you want automatically. Since BIMrx Cloud Manager can connect to projects you're invited to on other companies' hubs, you can ensure you're backing up your data to a network location and then also to your own company's BIM360 hub as well. You can also use the upload and download jobs to connect teams working off the local network with teams working in the cloud. There's tons of workflows we support with our dynamic and static controls. I'm excited to announce the collaboration between BIMrx Core and BIMrx Cloud Manager. One of the most amazing additions to the BIMrx suite of products is the integration of BIMrx Core and BIMrx Cloud Manager, which allows for exports of PDFs and NWC files from Revit models on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Shir showed in her webinar earlier this week how to create print sets with BIMrx Core's Revision Manager. Well, now with BIMrx Cloud Manager Pro, we can take those print sets and automate the export of PDFs, either on demand or on a schedule. This integration opens the possibilities for even more ways to automate your workflows like never before. Finally, let's print those print sets that Shir set up in our project with BIMrx Core Revision Manager. I've created an export job that will print from the model each Friday after hours, or maybe I can set it to run just before the office opens on Monday morning, making sure that there's always a set of drawings ready for review without even needing to publish the Revit model. I can print the sheet sets combined into stapled print sets, or I can print each sheet individually. I can select multiple models in multiple projects, which really saves a lot of wasted time manually opening multiple models just to print. Then I can deploy the job to a network server if my computer will be off for the weekend, or have the job run on demand locally from my computer. Not only can I print PDFs automatically, but I can also export NWCs on a schedule or on demand as well. Let's take a look at the PDF sets and individual sheets that automatically printed from the project without needing to publish. I'm sure this feature could save your team a lot of time, allowing for more time to focus on the important work you do. I want to take a moment to discuss the advantages of BIMrx Cloud Manager and how they solve specific inefficiencies of BIM360. The BIM360 website is inefficient when it comes to creating projects. You can only do one at a time, and you must manually enter all the data in the web page each time. Uploading folders and files with BIM360's website or desktop connector is a manual process, and you can only do one project at a time. It also unnecessarily creates new versions of files that haven't changed, further wasting the team's time. Adding users to projects is limited to one project at a time, and you have to type out each user's email address over and over again in each project. Printing, publishing, and uploading and downloading are all manual, one model or project at a time tasks with Revit and BIM360 on the BIM360 website or desktop with the desktop connector. BIMrx Cloud Manager solves these inefficiencies. You can create one or hundreds of projects easily with an Excel-based workflow. You can sync folders and files with multiple projects at the same time. You can accelerate the process of adding multiple users to multiple projects at the same time. And you can automate model publishing, uploading, downloading, archiving, and exporting of PDFs and NWCs with BIMrx Cloud Manager Pro. I want to highlight from our testing of BIMrx Cloud Manager that we found project creation to be 4 times faster than the BIM360 website. And adding users to multiple projects is 25 times faster with BIMrx Cloud Manager. And the time you'll save from automating data management tasks of model publishing, scheduling uploads and downloads, exporting PDFs and NWCs have unlimited savings, as these scheduled jobs will keep saving you time each week of the project. BIMrx Cloud Manager is full of features that accelerate project setup, member management, and automate data management tasks. With that, I really appreciate your time today learning about BIMrx Cloud Manager.